Hi, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are going to change out something that drove me nuts since the first time I got in the car, and that is the climate control button. It's all worn out. The BMW climate control buttons, they are notorious for getting all washed up and basically all the paint rubs off. So we got one on Amazon for like 14 bucks and I'm gonna pop it on and show you how to do it. All right, so here is the button I am swapping out. And to do this, you will need your replacement button made in China, a butter knife, and a little bit of patience. So you don't have to take the whole thing out from my understanding, but we'll see how accurate that is. Just like everything on YouTube, the guy that does it that I watch makes it look super easy, and then I go do it and it takes me 5 hours. So we'll see if this is the case for this or if this is actually pretty easy to do. All right, so as I understand it, we need to take these ones all off before getting this one off, because this one is basically held in by the surrounding ones. And to do so, we simply put the knife in here and it pulls out just like that. So let's see. 1, remember which order that you want these to pop out in. 2, 3, 4. Oh, that one flew. Still good. 5. And let's see if this one, for this one, you need to basically apply some pressure right here while putting the knife back there. So I'm gonna see if I can somehow do this while filming. It's gonna be very difficult. It's not possible to film single-handed, but put your finger here, put the knife back here, and it literally pops right off. Just like that. All right. We got our handy dandy China-made Amazon special Prime delivery. Pretty sweet. Put the link in the description if you want one. Should fit like most BMW models that have the same console, which is pretty cool. So there's a ton of them. SUVs, cars, whatever. All right, so now we just simply reattach in the order that, well, I guess it doesn't really matter, the order. Definitely matters which spot you put it in, so obviously make sure you put it in the right spot. Yeah, this, I'm not gonna jinx it, we're not done yet, so hold tight. But, oh my goodness. That was way easier than I was thinking. Let's check it out and see if it works. Oh my goodness, you guys, we did it. Wow, that's the only mod video I think I've ever done that went to plan. So thanks for watching. You guys just watched and witnessed a great success. I will actually be back inside to help with the kids in the 15 minutes that I told my wife I would be. That's the first. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. We're going to build this thing over this year. It's going to be sick. I'm going to create a very usable, friendly, driver's feel car that I can go rip in the canyons or autocross while still allowing my wife to drive it and have fun with it. So follow along. Thanks a lot. Leave your comments below and hope this video is helpful.